Hello, today's lesson objective is to know how to subtract more than one term. Pause the video and have a go at the retrieval practice. So let's go through the answers then. So we should be able to list the numbers in descending order, so getting smaller. Okay, on B, 0.770 is greater than 0.73. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. The square root of 1 is actually 1. 979 plus 48 is 1,027, and 9,164 is minus 9164 minus 675 is 8489. Give a tick for each one and hopefully you got 6 out of 6. So let's have a look at these sums. We need to be able to subtract more than one term. So from 75 we need to take away 29 and then take away 39. So let's have a look how we do that. So first of all, we do the 75 take away, subtract the 21. Okay, subtract the 39, which will be 15. So we need to break that down. So we do 75 take 21, is 54. And then we do a second sum, 54 take 39 is 15. So the answer is 15. Let's have a look at another one. So we've got 75 subtract 27, subtract 39 is 9. So how do we break that down? We break that down into 2 steps. 75 subtract 27 is 48. The next step, take the 48, subtract the 39 from it, and so the answer is 9. So we've paused the video, we've had a go at the questions. So 85 subtract 22 subtract 32 is 17, and 85 subtract 29 subtract 39 is 31. So let's have a look at some more. Okay, so we've now got a few questions here. I'm going to give you 10 minutes to have a go, see how many you can do. Okay, remember you're subtracting the sum, so you're subtracting 89 minus 31 first, and then the result from that sum, you're doing that sum result minus 24. Pause the video while you have a go at that. So pause the video for a couple of minutes while you check out your answers. I'm assuming you got most of those correct. Well done. So let's have a look at this lesson then. So we've just completed one, we're now doing the second lesson to know how to calculate complex subtraction. So here's our retrieval practice. Pause the video for 10 minutes while you have a go at those questions. Okay, pause the video again while we check the answers. So the square root of 81 is 9. If we're evaluating, we're trying to find the answer. So 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. 83 minus 49 is 34. And then we've got some addition of decimals to get 23.9. Some subtraction of decimals to get 10.7. And then we had to fill in the blanks. So 32 plus 18 equals 50. Mark those. Hopefully you got 6 out of 6. Okay, so let's have a look at this sum. We need to do 70 subtract 57. So because we've got a 0 in the units column, we need to borrow 10 from the tens column. So we cross out the 7 to leave a 6, and then we now have 10 in the units column. 10 take away 7 is 3, 6 subtract 5 is 1. So let's have a look at this sum. 700 subtract 57. So we need to borrow from the hundreds column. So the 7 now goes to a 6. And we've got 9 now 10 in the tens column and 1 and 0 in the units column. So we've got 90 plus 10. So that would be the 100 that would have come from the hundreds column. So it's 691 now. So 10 take away 7 is 3, 9 take away 5 is 4, 6 take away 0 is 6. Pause the video and have a go of the other two sums on the slide. Okay, so you should have 50 subtract 27 is 23, and 800 subtract 27 is 773. So let's have a go at these two sums then. We've got 8008 minus 329. Okay, so we're borrowing from the thousands column this time. So 9, 9, and then 1. Now we've got 18 in the units column. 18 subtract 9 is 9. 9 subtract 2 is 7. 9 subtract 3 is 6. 7 subtract 0 is 7. Pause the video while you have a go at 50,000 subtract 278. Well done. 49,722. Pause the video while you mark this. Okay, final one then. We've got 80,080 minus 399. Okay, so let's have a look at the sum then. So we need to have 10 in the unit column to take away the 9. So we're going to borrow that from the tens column. So the 8 now goes to a 7. 10 take away 9 is 1. We've now got 7 subtract 9. We can't do that, so we need to borrow for the 10,000s column. So that changes the number 7, 9, 9, and 17 in the tens column. 17 take away 9 is 8. 9 take away 3 is 6. 9 subtract 0 is 9. 7 subtract 0 is 7. Pause the video and have a go at 50,090 minus 323. Well done. 49,767. Can you mark that? Okay, you now have 10 minutes to have a go of the first set of questions, and then another 10 minutes to have a go of the second set of questions. Pause the video while you do this. Okay, so first set of answers are at the top, second set of answers are at the bottom. Pause the video while you mark your answers. Well done. Now have a go at some of these ones as well. 10 minutes for question 3 and then another 10 minutes for question 4. Pause the video whilst you attempt these questions. Pause the video again while you mark question 3 and question 4. Well done today. It's a lot of hard work today.